Hey guys, it's Annie. I'm back in the studio to show you some more yoga poses to increase your sex drive. Ready to get it on? Okay guys, so for this one, you're gonna wanna put your hands flat on the floor and make sure your shoulders are just in line over your hands, about 6 inches apart. And then you're gonna wanna have your knees on the floor and then your feet flat as well. So the first thing you'll do here is lift your chest high to the ceiling, so push up, and your butt's gonna go with it and get that nice stretch there in the spine of the neck. And then you're gonna wanna exaggerate it and do the exact opposite by bringing your belly into your spine, suck it in tight, and push in your butt and your everything just pulled in really tight to the center and then release it. Do it again. Press up, press the chest up, and then bring the belly into the spine. So this exaggerated motion is really good for your Kegels. You're going to be contracting them here, so it's really great for orgasms during sex. So this is a great way to prep for your sexy evening with your significant other. So do that about 5 times.
So this next posture is called camel pose. So what you want to do is sit up with your knees 6 inches apart, flat on the ground. Then you're going to want to reach your body and chest backward and try to hold your toes. So all the while keep pressing your chest upward. So if you want to do just the first part of this posture, you can just keep your hands flat on your lower back and just press backward so you don't have to do the full extent of the posture to get the medical benefits there. So it's basically created so that you have these intense emotions in the room, but don't have them out of the room. You'll feel in control of your emotions more than before. So after the posture, it will put you in a calm state of mind for sex.
Okay, so for this one, guys, you're gonna wanna put your hands flat on the floor again, but instead of leaving your knees on the floor, you're gonna wanna press up and make that inverted V shape with your body. So with your hands pressed firmly into the ground, you're gonna wanna pedal out your legs. So the goal here is to get your knees, you're pedaling with your knees, and then you wanna get your heels flat on the floor, so you have that nice stretch in the tailbone and in the back of the legs. So this one here is a really great posture before sex because it calms your mind, it makes you feel just really relaxed, and then also just that motion of having your butt high in the air is going to make you feel great and kind of put you in a good mood to get everything started in the bedroom. So this is a great posture to do before a sexy night.
Okay guys, so this one's called standing separate leg head to knee pose. And what you're going to want to do is plant your strong leg into the ground and lock out your knee. Then you're going to want to bring up your right leg and you're going to want to make sure it's parallel to the ground, not too high, not too low. And then when you're ready, that's step 1 actually of the posture. So if you don't want to continue on, you can just do that posture and you're getting the full medical benefits just staying there. So then you're going to want to kick out your leg and point your toes upward and pull them back towards your face and just hold that posture. So both knees are locked securely and you're going to want to get a good stance into the ground with that one. And then if you want to continue on to the posture, you're going to bring your head in towards your knee. So what this is doing is massaging the internal organs, and what it does is increase your metabolism. So you're not only going to have confidence with your partner, but you'll also have like a mini detox from the pressure. So what it's going to do is create all that digestive issues in your belly. It's going to release them from all that pressure from sucking in and bringing your head right into your knee like that. So those are the 3 steps of that posture.
So we massaged our internal organs, we've strengthened our Kegels, and we let go of all of our emotions. Now let's hop in the sheets. Let us know if these poses worked for you. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite sexual yoga pose. Now let's...
Hey YouTube, it's Jamiletta Hiola. If we left you satisfied, prove it by checking out our channel. And don't forget to subscribe.